Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a business website with Squarespace easy tutorial step by step clearly. To secure your business website with Squarespace, start by logging into your Squarespace account. Select the website you wish to secure from your dashboard. Navigate to the Settings tab found in the left-hand menu. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on the Website option. Next, locate the Secure section within the website settings. Toggle the switch to enable SSL for your site. This will ensure that your website has a valid SSL certificate. After enabling SSL, visit your website to confirm the secure connection. Look for https:// at the beginning of your website's URL. If you see a padlock icon next to the URL, your site is secured. Now, return to the Settings menu and click on the Domains option. For each domain, make sure they are set to redirect to the secure version of your site. Click on the domain name to edit its settings. Enable the redirect feature to automatically send visitors to https://. Next, go to the Advanced Settings in the Website Settings. Here, you can adjust additional security features for better protection. Consider enabling HTTP security headers for added security against threats. Also, review the password-protected pages feature, if needed. This allows you to restrict access to specific pages on your site. Finally, periodically check your website's security settings. Regular updates will help maintain the security of your website. Once everything is set up, your business website will be secure and ready for visitors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.